Ever wondered how your cells power everything you do, from blinking your eyes to running a marathon? Well, the secret lies in a tiny bean-shaped structure inside your cells called the mitochondria, which is also known as the powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria are double-membraned, membrane-bound organelles found in almost all eukaryotic cells. They are primarily responsible for producing ATP, the energy currency of the cell, through the process of aerobic respiration. Think of them as mini power plants generating fuel to keep your system running smoothly. The energy requirement of different cells of our body is different. Some body parts require more energy while some require less. So the number of mitochondria per cell is variable. Mitochondria is also known as chondriosome, chondriomite, pillar formicules or plastochondria. Structurally and functionally, mitochondria are among the most complex and vital organelles in a cell. Mitochondria have a unique and highly specialized structure that supports their function in energy production. It has a double membrane system, outer membrane and inner membrane. Both the membranes differ structurally and functionally and have their own specific enzymes. They are separated by the intermembrane space or the perimitochondrial space. Outer membrane is smooth and relatively permeable to small molecules. It has 40% lipids and porine proteins that allow the free movement of ions and metabolites. Inner membrane is highly folded into structures called cristae to increase the surface area. It behaves as functional barrier. It has more proteins and less lipids. It is almost impermeable to most substances. Contains key enzyme complexes of the electron transport chain and ATP synthase. Now, cristae are the folds of inner membrane. These folds are towards the matrix. It increases the surface area for the ATP producing enzymes. Their number and shape vary depending on cell type and activity. Now, matrix. Matrix is the innermost compartment filled with dense fluid. It has single circular DNA, 70S ribosomes, and some enzymes, ions or coenzymes. Intermembrane space is the space between the outer and inner membrane. It plays a role in the formation of proton gradient during the electron transport. It is the site of Krebs cycle and beta oxidation of fatty acids.